The crawler excavator machine module of iXR Labs helps students to engage with the machine virtually. Let's explore the various features of the machine module. This is our crawler excavator, and we can point and grab the various parts, spread them out in a virtual lab, and also bring them close to observe it in detail. After clicking on the separate parts option, the crawler excavator splits into its constituent parts, and a small prompt tells us about the crawler excavator. Clicking on any part like the bottom rollers brings them close, with the prompt telling us about the part. Now let's reset the parts and see the X-ray view of the crawler excavator. The name of all the parts are visible, and if we click on a name like this car body, we get a transparent view of the body with a description of it. Similarly, clicking on the engine highlights the engine inside a transparent crawler excavator. Let's click on the show working feature to see how a crawler excavator works. We get to see the principle on which a crawler excavator works, which is Blaise Pascal's law. Going forward, we can see step 1, where the movement of the hydraulic fluid is used to push and move the cylinders that control the boom and bucket of the excavator. In step 2, the bucket is used to dig and collect excavated material and dump it at some place.